How's it going, everyone? Today is going to be a short little market recap and trade recap for December 11th and December 12th. Let's begin. So, on December 11th, we had this gap down. Previously, in the extended hours, it was a lot more brutal. However, the move stabilized, we pulled back up, and then we came back down before the market opened. So, over here is when the market opened, 8:30 Thursday, December 11th. Price came back down over here. What I had specifically drawn up on the chart was this little trend line. All right. So you can see here, roughly here, this entire consolidation area down here, chop around. We broke out then on FOMC, right? Come into 11th, we get back down, move into in the first hour, half hour of the day. And then I'm liking my RR over here. I think that a pullback up is more likely. My bias has shifted a little more short term bullish because of the FOMC and the developments that came out of it. Um, the only bearish factor that was in there was obviously the AI trade blowing up, as well as potentially the app or not Avgo, the Oracle earnings, which were pretty bad, and it dumped 11% that day. No, even more than that. I believe 15%. I'm not gonna go check it right now, but yeah. So took the RR over here. I thought it was good. Turned out to be very good. So we got $685 calls. This printed. I sold my first batch over here exactly at 685.21, this horizontal trend line. And then price continued to move up higher. And towards the end of the day, I got to sell the rest of these calls at 348%. So pretty nice gain, pretty nice trade. Very simple SR flip, right? We have resistance, 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 this whole chop, a breakout, retest. It's an SR flip setup. We love that. Now, moving on to the second trade. So for the second trade, I had 680Ps alerted right over here. Uh, Alerted those pretty early in the morning. By the time I had sold them already, it was very, very early. This was at 10:26. I sold it exactly over here at 679.79, this horizontal trend line over here. Very self-explanatory trade. So failed. We swept the all-time high over here on Thursday or Wednesday rather. We failed to breach it on Thursday with this big bullish day. My bias had flipped bearish for the day because of that, right? We had Avgo earnings as well the day prior after market close. Market was not liking it on the fear of margins going down. And by the way, if you're, you know, getting caught off guard with that margins going down idea in AI after margins have been breaking out and expanding so long for so hard, I highly, highly recommend that you check out the, oh man, whoops.